Hello and welcome back viewers. In this short video tutorial we shall learn about the charges in equilibrium. So today's problem is if we place a charge small q in between two charges which are having capital Q charge. So we need to prove that q will be equal to negative time q by 4. So students, if we are having a charge small q which is in between two charges which are capital Q. So the force experienced by the small charge will be, which is in between the two charges which are having capital Q charge. The force experienced by the small q charge will be, let we call that force F1. And similarly, the force which is experienced by charge capital Q due to other charge which is also capital Q, which is separated r distance from the original one, is, let we call that force be F2. Let F1 be the first force and F2 be the second. So we need to find Q equals to negative of minus Q by 4. So we are familiar with Coulomb's law, which is KQ1 Q2 by R square. Similarly, if we need to find F1, what we do? We apply equilibrium condition. So if the charge small q is in equilibrium in between the two charges, so necessarily these two forces must be equal. So according to Coulomb's law, the force F1 will be K capital Q small q by R by 2 square, as the distance between capital Q and small q is R by 2. This force must be equal to K capital Q by R square. So what we are having in common on both sides, that is capital Q and the constant K. So we cancel these two from both sides. What we are left with, Q by R square by 4, which is equal to Q by R square. So I forgot here the negative sign, as the small q charge is negative, so I put negative sign with small q. So negative minus Q by R square. Now the denominator goes with small q, so here I am having 4, which is equal to Q by R square. So again R square cancels from both sides. So what we are left with, Q, that is negative 4Q equals to capital Q. So now I am multiplying minus 1 on both sides so that I can get rid of negative sign from left side. So 4Q equals to minus Q, and finally Q equals to negative capital Q by 4. I hope you enjoyed this very much. Thank you very much.